Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the system features that allow transcription. Go to Settings and open Sound or Captures, then locate Voice Chat Recording or Transcription and flip it on. This allows the console to capture chat audio. Once done, make sure you grant microphone and storage permissions so the PS5 can save and process audio files. You should also select language and region if available, since accurate transcription depends on correct language models. Set those now before testing a short chat sample. You next capture the chat and trigger transcription. Press the Create button to record a short chat segment or enable auto capture so sessions are logged automatically. Use local processing for privacy or upload with low latency if you want cloud transcription. Once recorded, open Captures to select the file and start transcription processing. Choose WAV or MP3 for best accuracy. While processing, monitor the transcription queue so you know when text is ready and review timestamps. You finish by reviewing and exporting the transcript. Open the processed text, proofread for misheard words, and correct speaker labels or punctuation so the transcript is usable. Then export as TXT or copy to clipboard for sharing, subtitling, or archiving. Use timestamps to align with video if needed. If accuracy is poor, adjust microphone gain, select the correct language, reduce background noise, and reprocess the file. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most common transcription errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.